Hola amigos, soy el señor Brigs and Mr. Brigs bringing you the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word sad. But before we watch this video, I have an important announcement to make.
My dear amigos, I would like to extend you a warm invitation to subscribe to my channel. If you're already subscribed, then consider joining my VIP premium membership. For less than a cup of coffee a month, you will gain access to all my printables. You will be able to download each of the lessons with all the vocabulary included in my video lessons.
Muy bien amigos, comencemos. Triste. Triste en español significa sad. Triste in Spanish means sad. Triste. Dos sílabas. Two syllables. One more time, una vez más. Triste. I'm sad. Yo estoy triste. Yo estoy triste. We're using the verb estar. That's why we say estoy, because most of the time this is a temporary feeling. He's sad. Él está triste. Él está triste. Él está triste. Repeat after me. Él está triste. Okay, veamos otro ejemplo. Let's see another example. She is sad. Ella está triste. Ella está triste. Ella está triste. Muy bien, let's see some examples using the past tense. If you want to say that he was sad, you'd say él estaba triste. Él estaba triste. He was sad. Él estaba triste. Otro ejemplo. She was sad. Ella estaba triste. Or if you want to make it more intense, you can say ella estaba muy triste. Muy, M-E-Y, means very. She was very sad. Ella estaba muy triste. ¿Estás triste? Are you sad? Why are you sad? ¿Por qué estás triste? ¿Por qué estás triste? Why are you sad? ¿Por qué estás triste? Triste. T-R-I-S-T-E. 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 Triste. Triste. And by the way, I'm not triste anymore, my dear amigos. I mentioned to you in my last video that my car was smashed by a drunk driver a few nights ago. I'll be getting a new car. That way I won't have to get around like Fred Flintstone walking. But thank you so much for your comments. And once again, my apologies for not being able to reply to all the comments because of the accident. I had a lot of things to do and I'm lagging a bit behind, but I'll start reading them all and replying to all of you. Don't forget, I will be uploading more videos tomorrow and I hope to see you mañana. Hasta mañana. Chao, chao.